What's up YouTube? Samsung is gearing up for the launch of new device which model number is SMG770F, as this model number is reportedly in rumor to be the light variant of Samsung Galaxy S10. So we already know that there are 4 models available for Galaxy S10. So the question arises, why Samsung is needed to add a new S10 model in the line? Well, if you look at the competition right now, Apple has just announced iPhone 11 with a price tag of $700 and it is making a great sale since it has launched. So Samsung feel competition as their S10e variant sales is going down and their Note 10 models are also expensive. So they have to provide value for the customer, as S10e main reason for low sale is only because of its screen size. 5.8-inch screen size is not according to the standards which are currently smartphones are released in 2019. So it's small and that's the main reason which the sale of S10e is low. We don't know when exactly the S10 Lite will go official, but if rumors are to be believed, it will be arrived with a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, triple camera sensor on the back side and 32 megapixel camera on the front side. The benchmark report reveals a device with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor. The device variant that was benchmarked featured 8 gigs of RAM. The tested device was running Android 10, and since it's the Samsung device, the device will have One UI 2.0 screens on the top of Android 10. The specification of the T smartphone are similar to those on Galaxy A90 5G and the Galaxy A91 smartphone. There would be 3 cameras on the back series devices. There is possibility that the Galaxy S10 Lite will be a rebranded version of one of these smartphones. Samsung Galaxy S10 was spotted in a certification site on Brazil with the model number SMG770F. It was listed to get massive 4370 mAh of battery capacity. This is much larger than the Galaxy S10s, which battery capacity is 3400 mAh. Previous leaks have suggested that the S10 Lite will also come equipped with 45 watt of fast charging support. The smartphone will be available in 3 colors: white, black and blue. Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite release date has not yet been confirmed and there is no official announcement from the Samsung yet. However, the device is expected to launch end of this year. If all the rumors and speculation are to be believed and taken into strong consideration, then Samsung is not only working on Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite but also a Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite variant and a Samsung Galaxy A91, which are also rumored to come with Snapdragon 855 processor. It is entirely possible that only one of these Samsung devices may be released in coming months or not. Always best to consider the Geekbench rumors with a pinch of salt until Samsung themselves officially confirm the devices. So I hope Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite will be a perfect device, because if Samsung has to make a competition with the Apple, their device must be featured packed and its price must be around $700. So thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing and I will meet you in the next one. Peace out.